Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indahart Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. We'll give you information about the local market, particularly right here in our backyard, which is the city of Milpitas. So let's talk about some news articles recently, some sales that we have, and some upcoming open houses. So let me dive in with today's economy. San Jose Mercury News it was back on Sunday, July 28th. Great article about, is it collapse, crumble, or crash for home buying? So the article dives into looking at the basics from the last few years and what's been happening with the market. We know we've had a tremendous increase. That was due primarily early on to the low interest rates coming out of the pandemic, and then we had low inventory. Well, what we've got now is actually got interest rates that are coming down just a little bit, and the feds are looking to reduce the federal discount rate in September, which should bring rates a little bit lower. So that's going to bring more buyers in. We've had about a 16% increase in pricing from last year to this year. I've seen tremendous traffic flow in open houses, and we're still getting multiple offers. In fact, I'm closing a transaction this Wednesday that had 8 offers. That's the one at 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. Started out at $2,398,888, and it's closing at $2,610,000. So we really don't feel, in my opinion, talking to my lenders and the other powers that be in my real estate industry, that a collapse is coming. Just a leveling off of the market was where we might see for the remainder of the year until the spring pickup season again next year. So it's still a great time to sell, get your property on the market, and know that home buyers most of them are doing the loans. So I just sold 395 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas. Actually brought in the buyer. We had 3 offers on that home, and the buyer paid all cash. So the list price on that was $1,198,888, and it's closing next week at $1,178,450. So my buyer beat out the top offer on that property. They're going to renovate the home and maybe bring it back to the market or use it as an investment. So it did say in the Milpitas Post that home sales purchased by international buyers are fewest since 2009. You know, when we had the big recession, or the Great Recession, in 2007 and 2008, we had a tremendous reduction in home prices. And a lot of the properties were picked up by international buyers. They were paying all cash. They've been renting those properties out, probably returning them back to the market and taking their profits. They were able to buy at a very, very low price. But since 2009, we're not seeing that type of buyer. I feel the stability of the market for the buying and the buyers right now is in the stock market. We have seen on Thursday and Friday, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq both took a big slice off the points, quite a big amount. I think it was up to a 2.5% decline, which was pretty huge. But overall stability is still good, and I don't think it's going to impact really the buyers and what they do. So let me share with you, I also put into contract 806 North 15th Street in San Jose over the weekend. The price point on that home was $1,098,888. And the buyer was an FHA buyer coming in with a low down payment, but they've got a lot of integrity with being able to get the loan, good credit, good work history, and so we ended up with the price point of $1,080,000 on that property, and the seller's very happy. So there are still a variety of different buyers out there looking at homes, and definitely making those bids on the properties. So let's look at last month what the market update for the zip code 95035 came out to see. So out of all the homes listed, the list price or the selling price received over the list price was 106%. So that shows that there's still many multiple offers overbid over the list price. Days on market, believe it or not, 11 days is the average days on market. And that's holding true with my properties that I'm selling here in Milpitas. The stability of the market is good with homes that are selling versus listings. You have 27 pending sales in Milpitas on MLS right now and 29 active listings. So that's a very, very good, strong seller's market. So what's coming up? I'm pretty excited about, and we're getting ready this week. We're painting it. Next week, cleaning it, staging it, and photographs at 2221 Shiloh Avenue, right here in Milpitas. It's in the Parktown area. That's the area near Senate Elementary School, which is the top-rated school in Milpitas. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a downstairs bedroom, half bath downstairs, step-down family room, tri-levels home is what they call it. A really darling home, very great neighborhood. Price point on this one is $1,998,888. The open house will be Saturday, Sunday, August 24th and August 25th. I'll personally be there if you want to come, and I'll meet you. The hours are 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. Very excited to hold this one open, get it ready. And it's up near the foothills in Milpitas, so great location. Anyway, stop by, and then offers will be due the following Wednesday on that property. And we're expecting, we hope, multiple offers, and we exceed the sales price on that one. And then 1352 to 1358 Chupon Avenue in Milpitas, that's that duplex. It's got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath on one side, which is pretty large, 1,700 square feet, and then a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little bit smaller, about 1,600 square feet on the other side. We've been unsuccessful selling it as a duplex, as a joint unit. And right now the seller is going to the city of Milpitas. I'm very excited about this. I've encouraged her to consider doing a lot split on that unit. So she's going to apply with the city of Milpitas this week and divide that up into 2 separate units. There'll be 0 lot line units, but it's within a neighborhood of a lot of 0 lot line owner-occupied units on each side. So it should be very doable. And we don't know the time length, probably 2 or 3 months to get that done. Then I'm going to be bringing those 2 units back on the market, but selling them individually. So I'll keep you update on our progress with that and the success that we're doing on that. And it should yield the seller a little bit more profit at the end of the day for all her effort. So excited to try that and do that. And then I've also got coming up, hopefully in about 3 more weeks, we're getting it ready. 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It's 1,174 square feet in the Dixon Landing area. Kirtner Elementary School. This is a downstairs unit. It's been completely remodeled. Really beautiful property. $758,000 is what they're asking for this condo. And so I'll keep you posted as soon as we get an open house date for that one. So I'm ready for some more inventory, ready to get your property ready for the end of the year. Give me a call, 408-945-8988, or email giordanodj@aol.com. I look forward to talking to you and coming to visit you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.